Hey Cadence, so I went into your tutorial for biology. Now, most of yours should have this, maybe not all of your classes, I'm not 100% sure, but these are tools that can help you through this. You don't have to use them, but they're there to help you. So, under this, to the left, on any tutorial, you'll have tools over here. So here you have a table of contents. As you can see right here, you have all the different parts of this lesson. Right here, if you click this, this is your guided notes. This is what I wanted to tell you about. So if you click on this, you're going to see this pop up. Now you can type on these and save them to your computer or your Google Drive. You can print them off and write them down by hand. And what a lot of students do is they'll do this and they kind of use it to help them on their tests. And that's okay. You can do that. If that helps you out more, feel free to do that. So then you also have a glossary. So if you need to look up something, or I'm sorry, a dictionary, not a glossary. So if you don't know what a word means, you can look it up right here. These are really cool tools if you don't want to have to sit there and read through every single slide. You can turn on slide narration, and that means it will read it to you. There is also click to speak. So if you do click to speak, that means anytime you click on a sentence, it will read that sentence or word for you. If you need a translator, here's a translator. Here is a calculator that you can use, math tools, so if you need to do a graph or a data plot, you can do that, and there's also a highlighter. So you do have all of those options and you can use them to help you out. So if you have any questions or you need anything else, feel free to reach out.